Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the AcuEar Pebble. We get that not everyone needs or wants to wear super-powered hearing aids all day long. Maybe sometimes you just need a bit of help hearing better in noisy spots or during certain parts of your day. That's exactly what we designed the AcuEar Pebble for, boosting the volumes of those around you so you can hear clearly in noisy areas or from far away without needing expensive, cumbersome hearing aids. Let me give you a few quick tips and tricks on how to use the AcuEar Pebble for best results. Tip 1. The charging case comes with a built-in microphone located right here. And here's the cool part. You can place the microphone close to whoever is talking, and their voice will come through to your earphones loud and clear, boosted by up to 50 decibels. Tip 2. There are two main scenarios that the AcuEar Pebble really excels in. The first is in noisy environments, like at restaurants or cafes. Just place the microphone by your friend or in the middle of the table, and the mic will help to boost the sound of anyone close to it, so it's easier to hear them over the din. Tip 3. The second scenario is in places where you aren't super close proximity-wise to the person you're trying to hear, like in a meeting or lecture hall. You can set the microphone close to the speaker and sit as far away as up to 100 feet or 30 meters and still hear everything crystal clear. Tip 4. One of the perks of using the AcuEar Pebble is that they're a bit more discreet than traditional hearing aids, since they just look like regular Bluetooth earphones. And actually, they don't just look like regular earphones, they are regular earphones. You can swap modes and pair them with your phone or computer to use them to listen to music or watch shows whenever you want. Just be aware that you can't use the hearing assist function and the Bluetooth mode at the same time. So, there you have it. We're really excited about the AcuEar Pebble and its potential to help in day-to-day life, and we hope you enjoy it. As always, if you ever have any questions or need any help, you can reach out to us at support@avantree.com. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.